Imagine leading a party that has governed a country for 30 years, only to watch its grip on power slip away. That's the reality for Cyril Ramaphosa and the ANC right now. For the first time since apartheid ended, the African National Congress lost its outright majority. South Africa grapples with massive unemployment rates, 33% overall, and an even more alarming 45% among the youth. And then, there's the rolling electricity blackouts crippling the economy, not to mention the corruption scandals. Rhamaphosa, who hoped to lead the ANC into another term, now faces a cloud of uncertainty. His party's support dropped a whopping 17% from the last election. And here's where it gets even more interesting. The rise of Zuma's MK faction. They're shaking things up, and it's not just about power, it's about different visions for South Africa's future. Now the ANC is scrambling to form coalitions. This isn't just about staying in power, but about crafting a government that can actually govern. Key figures like opposition leader John Steenhuisen are now major players in these unprecedented coalition talks. The stakes? They couldn't be higher. The outcomes of these alliances will shape South Africa's policies, its international image, and its economic strategies. The question on everyone's mind, can Rhamaphosa navigate this storm and get re-elected? Or will the pressures from within and outside his party dethrone him? It's a pivotal moment not just for him but for the entire nation. This isn't just about political survival. It's about what kind of future South Africa wants. Does it stick to the legacy of figures like Nelson Mandela? Or does it carve out a new path with leaders like Rhamaphosa, or even someone from Zuma's camp? Whatever happens, the impact will be felt not just within South Africa, but around the world. Markets, international relations, and millions of lives hang in the balance. That's it for today. This story is still developing, and I'll be right here to update you on how it unfolds. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay informed, stay engaged.